Kohezion.com.
Let's take this from the other side. So the bad thing to do is, let's say it's a new company that starts with new systems, and instead of trying to keep all the data under the same roof, every time there's a new need, they go to the newest, shiniest new system out there that is another system. So within 6 months, they could have 8 different systems that don't talk to each other, all with different security concerns, and the data even could be in different location on the planet. So that's something that should not be done. Is when you expand, try to expand within the same system, and then the follow-up question to this, okay, so which system do I choose when I start a new project? Should I start a system that's able to adapt and grow with my company's needs? Or do I want to have a multitude of little systems? So obviously in our case, we prefer, and that's one of the the backbone of Cohesion is its ability to grow and adapt.
Kohezion.com.